This is a tutorial on how to find the funding and breakdown report. In order for you to do that, first you will click on Schedule Construction. You should have the Schedule Construction view. So this should always be locked, and you will have no ability to edit the schedule. So don't worry about messing anything up. But make sure that you have main schedule selected here. Make sure that you select the year that you prefer to download this report for. So now we're in 2024. As you can see, we jumped to 2025. You can select one ship or multiple ships to get your funding and breakdown reports. Let's do Sequeliac. Then you would click on Export and Funding and Breakdown Report. And that is it. Pretty straightforward. Hope this helps.